welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today's tip is about something new and wonderful that you totally have to try. So for any of you watercolor nuts out there, you definitely need to look at a set of Faber Castell's new watercolor markers that are out. This is kind of wonderful because you can do traditional marker drawing techniques with it, but because this is a watercolor marker, you can then activate it with a wet brush. And the cool part about these are they're a little bit more forgiving than a lot of the other watercolor markers that I've tried, in that you can leave the marker on for a good little amount of time before you hit it with a wet brush and it still activates. So it's a lot more forgiving, I would say, than some of the other watercolor markers out there. Some of them you have to kind of like get in there and be ready with the other hand. And then this one's kind of not like that. You can make decisions about like how hard or soft you want the line quality to be, or if you're going to blend colors together, what you want to do. And I have really enjoyed playing around with these. They have two tips. They have a nib on one side, like a bullet shaped nib on this end. Then they also have like a watercolor brush nib on this end. And they're both really, really great. Liked using them a lot. I was kind of rough on them just to see what would happen. Didn't have any trouble with splitting or flaking or anything like that. The colors mix well with one another. This was a very, very limited small set that I got to play around with. They do come in like 30 colors, I believe, which would be kind of great because then you have even more variety. But I did like a little demo piece with this, just using the colors that are in this set, and was really, really happy with the different color variation I was able to get, the way that the colors blended into one another. I think I used every color in here except for the black, because it's black. I touched this up with a little bit of Pigma Micron to sharpen some of my lines and stuff, but I love this. So you should totally try them. They're super fun. They are Faber Castell watercolor markers, available here right now at Cheap Joe's, and we are sure that you will enjoy.